Hey, welcome back, everyone. Hope you had yourself a good weekend. It was not bad as far as the weather goes. We were looking at mainly cloudy skies, a few flurries here and there, and the overall trend is looking like it's going to continue that way, probably at least into the middle of the part of the week, and we'll talk more about that in just a little bit. Our photograph for tonight, this one was sent in by Nancy and Mark Hummel. They were coming back from the down the Denali Highway, and we were able to capture this magnificent shot of Mount McKinley again. A little bit of lenticular cloud structure over the top of the cloud there. That's what wind blowing the clouds around there. And again, as always, if you have a photograph to share, by all means, send it to photos@ktbf11.com. Here is our number. Our number's right now at the airport, 37 after a high of 38. The low last night was 36, record high 61 set in 1938, and a record low 15 below in 1965. Sunrise this morning, not quite 9 o'clock, and the sun set this evening at 6:18, giving us 9 hours and 24 minutes of daylight, a loss of 6 minutes from yesterday. Our satellite and radar shows a little bit of clouds moving from the south to the north, but again, not much breaking across the Alaska Range. There were reports of rain and snow over the Anchorage Bowl today, but for the most part, just mainly cloudy skies across the Fairbanks area. And our state map looks like this. Over southeast Alaska, the rain continues to fall from Juneau right on down to Ketchikan. Sunshine around the Anchorage area. A few showers in the Kodiak region. Up and down the west coast, and again, not too much going on there. Mainly clear to partly cloudy skies all the way up to the north slope, but chilly in Barrow, 15 degrees. For the high temperature there. Lower 48 weather, starting off with the Pacific Northwest, the rain has returned to the Seattle area, 61 degrees there. Not a bad day in San Francisco, 72, pretty warm for Las Vegas and Phoenix. Nice day in Denver, 77 degrees. Lots of sunshine across the central sections of the country. Thunderstorms rumbling over the Florida peninsula and some showers over the northeast around the New York area. On our satellite radar, you can see a little bit of activity moving across southwest Texas. A little bit of energy across the northeastern sections responsible for the rain showers, and again, more rain showers moving across the Pacific Northwest. And the overall picture for the northeast is looking like they call a nor'easter, which means a storm coming in from the northeast, bringing with it winds to 20 to 40 miles per hour, coastal flooding all up and down from Boston all the way up to Maine, and locally heavy rain over a widespread area. And the overall outlook for later on this week is calling for the winds and that storm system to move out. Finally, a tropical system may bring heavy rain to the Florida peninsula, more rain over the Pacific Northwest. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Here's what it looks like in the northern sections: flurries in Barrow, cloudy skies at Nome, and snow showers for the Fort Yukon area. Here in the interior, mainly just cloudy skies. Again, some scattered flurries are possible all the way from Delta Junction to Fairbanks and Healy. Over the southeastern sections, rain will continue, and even rain and wind possible for the Ketchikan area. While over the southwest part of the state, mixed rain and snow for Cold Bay, mixed showers for Kodiak, and maybe an inch of snow for the Bethel area. And over the Anchorage Bowl, we're looking at snow showers for Anchorage, rain and snow at Homer, cloudy in Valdez. Okay, time once again for our kids' weather. Although this week we're going to be giving the kids a week off because I'm taking a week off. So we're going to be having weather facts. And our weather facts for tonight is 1989, Little Rock, Arkansas. A cold wave gave the city its earliest freeze ever. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And like I said, the kids will be off for this week, and we'll share unique and interesting weather facts with you. Okay, here's our forecast for tonight. 24 degrees, cloudy, breezy, and cold with a few flurries. Tomorrow's forecast, another day with cloudy skies and flurries, 33. And the extended forecast, as you can see here, looking at temperatures cooling down. In fact, we're looking at temperatures right around the mid-20s, and then a little bit of a reprieve by the end of the 5-day period, working its way back up toward the 30-degree mark, and also looking at overnight lows in the teens above. So all in all, cold temperatures, maybe a few flakes of snow here and there, but no real accumulation expected.